Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I link QR codes to images that I create in PowerPoint. If you already know how to do that, you'll want to move on to the next video where I show you how to create PowerPoint videos and then link them to QR codes. First, you need to create or use an existing page. So you'll need to open up your PowerPoint file and open up an existing unit that you want to edit or update. Or as you create new units, just think of how or what you could add to it that will enhance student learning and help teachers teach. To create an answer key, you'll need to duplicate the original slide you created in PowerPoint. To do that, you can select the slide on the left, right-click on it, scroll down and select Duplicate Slide. And you can see here that I now have two slides that are the same. What you'll need to do is you'll need to create an answer key on that second slide. If you've never saved a PowerPoint slide as an image, there's one minor adjustment when you go to save this file, but you will want to make sure that you saved your file as a PowerPoint first, and then go back and then save it as a PNG. Click on File, Save As, click on PNG, Portable Network Graphic, and click on just this one. You can click on all of them, but then you will have pictures of every single slide in that PowerPoint. If you don't have a Gmail account, you'll want to create one. It's free. So that way you have access to the drive. Open your Gmail, open your drive, go to File New, then Upload New File. It'll open up the files on your computer, and you will need to go to Pictures where you saved that file or that image that you created in PowerPoint. Select your file in your drive, right-click on it, select Share, Can View, copy the link. Go to the QR code generator or a QR code generator that you like to use. Make sure you select URL and paste your link. Name your QR code, preferably the same name that you gave your image that you created in PowerPoint. Select Save. It will save automatically to your computer in your download, so when you go to search for it, you'll need to look in your download file. Open up your PowerPoint file you were working on, or you were adding the QR code to. To add the QR code, you need to click on File, Insert, go to Downloads, that's where the QR code was saved to. And if you need to, type in the name that you named your QR code in your search box and it should bring it right up. Click on it and click Insert. I usually put a border around the QR codes, and the size that I'm making this QR code now is fine for 5-year-olds to scan and even 4-year-olds to scan. They did it with no problem. Earlier I mentioned I would share other uses for images linked to QR codes. Please know that this is just a starting point. As you create them, you will find many more uses for them to suit your content area, your needs, and things that you find they could be useful for to help teachers teach and to enhance student learning, and also to create that home-to-school connection. As a quick recap, I just want to remind you of some things you can use images for. You can attach an image of a rubric with a QR code right there on their sheets. It saves paper, it simplifies things because it's quick and it's easy. Access for students, parents, and teachers. You can add inspirational messages for students. You can add a hint or a clue for students who get stuck. Now you've added scaffolding support to those who need it. Those who don't won't need to scan it, but at least it's there. We all have a student or 2 or 10 that need that scaffolding support. And here is another sample, or a sample of an image used for self-checking in a different format than the worksheet I originally showed you. Here it was used on a task card. Students read the task card and color the picture to match. And when they're done, they scan the QR code and a picture of the colored picture is shown so students can see if they read and added details like the task card read. And if you do have other students you might want that have a difficult time reading and you know they won't be able to read something like this, or you have a passage in high school where you have kids who aren't reading up to grade level, you can add scaffolding support by watching the audio, adding audio video and attaching it on the passage or on a task card. They scan it and it reads it to them, so at least they're still able to get the content if they're not able to read the passages. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you would like to learn more, be sure to watch the video on adding audio with images and creating videos using PowerPoint. If you would like to add only audio without the image, there is a video for adding audio linked to QR codes. Thank you again, and I hope you have fun creating.